Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Let me ask you something. You change the oil in your car, you clean your house, but when was the last time you did any maintenance on your PC? For most people, the honest answer is never, right? And then 2 years later, they are wondering why their once fast machine takes 3 minutes to boot and sounds like a jet engine. Today, I am giving you a complete quarterly maintenance routine. 6 steps, once every 3 months. Your PC will thank you. Let's get into it. Step number 1. Clear out the temporary files. Windows and your programs constantly create temp files, leftovers from updates, installers, caches, and they never fully clean up after themselves. Over months, this quietly eats gigabytes of drive space. The safest way to clean it is built right into Windows. Press the Windows key plus the letter I to open Settings. Click System, then click Storage. Give it a moment to calculate, then click Temporary Files. Windows now shows you exactly what is safe to remove. Old update files, delivery optimization files, thumbnails, the recycle bin. Check the boxes for what you want gone. But one warning, be careful with the Downloads checkbox, because that deletes your actual Downloads folder, not junk. Uncheck it unless you truly want that. Now click Remove Files and let Windows do its thing. Step number 2. Run a System File Checker scan. SFC scans the thousands of protected files Windows needs to run and automatically repairs any that have become corrupted. Running it quarterly means small corruption gets fixed before it grows into weird crashes and broken features. Click the Start button and type CMD. On the right side, click Run as Administrator and click Yes on the permission window. Now type sfc/scan now. That is sfc space, then a / immediately followed by scan now, all one word. Press Enter and let it run. This usually takes 10 to 20 minutes, and yes, the percentage will freeze at random numbers along the way. That is normal. Do not close the window. All right, the scan just finished on my machine, so let me show you what a result actually looks like. See that? Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. That is the best possible outcome. It means my system files are completely healthy, nothing needed repair, and I can move straight to the next step. If you get this message, congratulations, your quarterly check just came back clean. Now, you might get a different result. If it says it found corrupt files and successfully repaired them, also great. Just restart your PC afterwards. Consider this your quarterly health check for Windows itself. Step number 3, and this one might be the most important of the entire routine. Check the physical health of your drive with a free tool called CrystalDiskInfo. Here's why this matters. Your drive is the one component where failure does not just mean buying a new part, it means losing your files. And drives almost always give warning signs before they die. You just need something that reads them. Open your browser and go to crystalmark.info. Then click the download for CrystalDiskInfo, run the installer, and open the program. The moment it opens, look at the big health status box in the top left corner. Blue and good. Your drive is healthy, close it and move on. Yellow and caution. Your drive has logged real warning signs, and it is time to back up your files now and start planning a replacement. Red and bad? Stop everything. Back up immediately. That drive is failing. What this tool reads is your drive's built-in self-monitoring data, the same data a repair shop would check first. 30 seconds, once a quarter, and it can save you from losing years of photos and documents. Step number 4. Update your drivers, and I am going to give you slightly different advice than most videos. Drivers are the software that lets Windows talk to your hardware, graphics card, audio, network, all of it. Outdated drivers cause crashes, glitches, and performance problems. But here is my honest warning. Do not download one of those third-party driver updater tools that promise to fix everything with one click. Many of them are junk at best, and some bundle things you seriously do not want. Instead, do it the safe way. Press the Windows key plus I for settings, click Windows Update, then click Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. If Windows has verified driver updates for your hardware, they appear right here. Check them and click Download and Install. And the one driver worth updating directly from the source is your graphics driver. If you have an NVIDIA card, get it from NVIDIA.com or the NVIDIA app. AMD from AMD.com, Intel from Intel.com. For gamers especially, a quarterly graphics driver update genuinely delivers fixes and performance improvements. Step number 5. Clean up your startup apps, because this is the #1 reason PCs boot slowly. Here is what happens. Almost every program you install quietly adds itself to your startup list, so it launches automatically every time you turn on your PC, whether you need it or not. Install things for 2 years without ever checking this list, and suddenly your machine is loading 15 programs before you even see your desktop. Right-click the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab in the left panel. Now look at this list, and pay attention to the Startup Impact column, especially anything marked High. Be honest with yourself. Does that game launcher really need to start with Windows? Does that music app? For anything you do not need immediately at boot, click it once and hit Disable. And to be clear, disabling does not uninstall anything. The program still works perfectly when you open it yourself. It just stops loading automatically. Leave your antivirus and cloud backup tools enabled. Almost everything else is fair game. This step alone often makes the most noticeable difference of the entire routine. Step number 6. Finish with a full malware scan. Not the quick scan that runs automatically in the background. Malware is not always dramatic. Often it just sits there quietly, slowing your machine and watching what you do. A deep quarterly scan catches what the quick checks miss. And good news, you do not need to buy anything because Windows security is built in and genuinely solid these days. Click Start, type Windows Security, and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection in the left panel. Click Scan Options just below the Quick Scan button. Now you can see all 4 options Windows gives you. Quick Scan, the fast one we just talked about. Full Scan checks all files and running programs on your hard disk, and yes, it warns you it could take longer than 1 hour. Custom Scan lets you point it at one specific folder or drive, handy for checking a USB stick. And the last one, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Remember that one because I will come back to it in a second. For our quarterly routine, select Full Scan and click Scan Now. Then walk away. Let it run while you eat lunch. Now, about that offline scan. Some malicious software is particularly stubborn. It hides while Windows is running and resists removal. The offline scan restarts your PC and scans before Windows fully loads, using up-to-date threat definitions. The whole thing takes about 15 minutes. You do not need it every quarter, but if a full scan finds something it cannot remove, or your PC is acting seriously strange, that is your next move. If your full scan comes back clean, that is not wasted time. That is peace of mind confirmed. And that is the complete routine. Let me run it back one time so you can screenshot this. Step 1. Clear temporary files through Settings, Storage. Step 2. Run sfc/scan now as administrator to repair system files. Step 3. Check drive health with CrystalDiskInfo and back up immediately if you see yellow or red. Step 4. Update drivers through Windows Update optional updates, plus graphics drivers straight from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Step 5. Open Task Manager and disable the startup apps you do not need. Step 6. Run a full malware scan with Windows Security. Total hands-on time? Maybe 30 minutes. Most of it is just waiting for scans while you do something else. One last dose of honesty before we wrap up, because I promised no exaggeration on this channel. This routine will not make a 10-year-old laptop feel like a brand new gaming rig. No software can do that. What it does do is prevent the slow decay that makes people think their PC is dying when it really is not. Clutter, startup bloat, outdated drivers, unnoticed drive problems, quiet malware, those are the actual reasons most PCs feel worse every year. Stay ahead of them every quarter, and your machine keeps feeling the way it did when you bought it for years longer. If this routine is going in your bookmarks, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech, because I drop practical guides like this all the time. And here's today's comment question. How long has it been since you did any maintenance on your PC? Months? Years? Never? Drop it in the comments. No judgment, I read every single one. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.